The Royale Dual Massager, a symphony of pleasure designed to cater to your every desire. This versatile and innovative pleasure accessory is not just a vibrator, it's a game changer crafted to take your intimate moments to new heights. With a simple USB recharge, this vibrating plug and attached tulip offer a remarkable 2.5-hour charge, providing you with a blissful hour of uninterrupted play. Crafted from body-safe silicone, it ensures both safety and satisfaction with every use. Experience the best of both worlds with 10 fingering functions and 10 vibrating functions, offering a multitude of sensations to explore. The quiet and discreet design lets you indulge in your pleasure without worry, and the back-and-forth fingering function adds an extra layer of excitement. Enhance your experience with your favorite water-based lube, ensuring a smooth and comfortable encounter every time. To optimize the device's performance, charge it fully before the first use, priming the battery for an unforgettable experience. Cleaning is a breeze. Maintain the longevity of your pleasure plug with ease by using a high-quality toy cleaner or mild antibacterial hand soap after each use. Unleash the pleasure with the Royale Dual Massager, where innovation meets satisfaction, and every moment is an opportunity for extraordinary pleasure. Redefine your intimate encounters and embark on a journey of unparalleled bliss with this remarkable pleasure accessory today.